Hello everyone, this is Knowledge Topper and welcome to today's lecture on liquidity risk management. Okay, in this video we will explore the concept of liquidity risk, its impact on organizations, and at the end of this video we will also understand the effective strategies for mitigating and managing liquidity risk. Okay, so if you are watching my video for the first time, I just want to let you know that I believe in real life situational based examples to clear concept of my students. So to understand our today's topic on liquidity risk management, we will illustrate our concept and use a real life example that will help us understand the implications of liquidity risk management in a practical context. Okay, so let's dive in. First of all, if we discuss the definition of liquidity risk to have a basic understanding, so liquidity risk refers to the possibility that an organization may encounter difficulties in meeting its short-term financial obligations when they become due. Okay, basically organizations are exposed to liquidity risk due to their inability to convert assets into cash quickly without incurring significant losses. Okay, actually liquidity risk can arise from various factors such as unexpected changes in market conditions, or loss of investor confidence. Okay, or due to insufficient cash flow management as well. To better understand the implications of liquidity risk, let's consider the example of ABC Corporation, which is a manufacturing company. Okay, in this example, we are assuming that ABC Corporation, operates in a highly competitive industry, and its sales heavily rely on a few major customers. Okay, recently the company experienced a significant decline in demand due to a sudden economic downturn. Okay, that leading to a cash shortage. Now let's analyze the liquidity risk issues ABC Corporation faces and examine potential impact. Okay. Firstly, if we discuss the impact on the liquidity of ABC Corporation, the first impact is due to declining sales. Because of sudden economic downturn, as we discussed in our example, the reduced demand from key customers leading to lower revenue generation, that resulting in declining cash inflows of ABC Corporation. Okay, the second impact on liquidity of ABC Corporation is due to inventory buildup. Actually, ABC Corporation have accumulated excess inventory in past. They tying up, their valuable working capital that could have been used for other financial obligations as well. The third possible impact on liquidity is difficulty in paying suppliers. Due to sales decline and limited cash availability, the company may struggle to meet its payment obligation to suppliers, and also face tense or strained relationships with the suppliers as well. Okay, now if we discuss the consequences of liquidity risk on ABC Corporation, the first consequence would be increased borrowing cost. Okay, if ABC Corporation needs to rely on borrowing to meet short term obligations, it may face higher interest rate or unfavorable loan terms, which can negatively impact the profitability of ABC Corporation. Okay, the second possible consequence would be loss of credit worthiness. Actually, consistent liquidity issues may affect the company's credit rating, and making it harder to secure future financing or negotiate favorable terms with creditors. Okay, the third consequence would be missed opportunities. Actually, insufficient liquidity may prevent ABC Corporation from capitalizing on strategic business opportunities as well, like investing in new technologies and expanding operations and acquiring competitors as well. Okay, so we have discussed the impact and consequences of liquidity risk on ABC Corporation. Now let's understand the liquidity risk mitigation and management strategies. Okay, in order to address liquidity risk effectively, organizations like ABC Corporation can adopt various strategies. The first one is cash flow forecasting. Actually, by implementing robust cash flow forecasting mechanism, it allows ABC Corporation better visibility into future liquidity needs, and also enables proactive planning and allocation of resources as well. Okay, the second strategy would be diversification of funding sources. So by diversifying funding sources, such as securing lines of credit with multiple financial institutions, or by accessing alternative financing options, ABC Corporation can reduce its reliance on a single channel and enhance their liquidity resilience. Okay, the third strategy would be contingency planning. Actually, developing contingency plans, like access to emergency funds or establishing credit lines in advance, it can help ABC Corporation navigate unexpected liquidity challenges. Okay, the fourth strategy would be efficient working capital management. So by optimizing working capital components such as inventory levels, accounts receivables, and accounts payables as well, it helps ABC Corporation maintains a healthy cash flow position and minimizing the risk of liquidity shortages as well. Okay, the other important strategy would be stress testing and scenario analysis. Okay, actually by conducting stress test and scenario analysis, it can help ABC Corporation not only assess the potential impact of adverse events on liquidity, but also enables them in identifying areas that require attention or risk mitigation measures as well. So all these are the possible liquidity risk mitigation strategies. To conclude this video, I just want to say that liquidity risk poses a significant threat to an organization's financial health and stability. Okay, through our example that we have discussed in this lecture of ABC Corporation, we have explored the consequences of liquidity risk and learn about various strategies to mitigate and manage this risk effectively. So by adopting proactive measures and maintaining a strong focus on cash flow management, organizations can minimize their liquidity risk and ensures financial stability and position themselves for long-term success. So that is all about our today's topic on liquidity risk management. I hope you like today's video. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do appreciate our hard work in creating this particular video for you by subscribing our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you will find a lot of good material not just related to these topics but from many other different topics as well. I have already uploaded a lot of videos on risk management. If you want to check out that, I will make sure that I will attach a playlist link in the description of this video. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.